So today meiosis or reduction division. The meiosis which occurs in the gametic cells. Gametic cells means male and female gametangia. The male gametangia in plants is anther, ovary. Anther, ovary both are anther cells. Ovary cells undergoes reduction division takes place to reduce the number of chromosome cells. One reduction division takes contains two type of divisions. Reduction division 1, reduction division 2 or meiosis 1, meiosis 2. So this is also third year, fifth sem. So this is also one important character of the meiosis is a which can occur in the mitotic division. So this one, what is the division of the comparison mitosis and meiosis? Majorly purpose, the mitosis purpose is a growth, repairs, also called a repairing of the cells. The meiosis purpose is a reproduction, also reducing the number of chromosomes. The mitosis takes place only one division. Meiosis divisions two. Plant the mitosis which occurs in a diploid nucleus are parental cells or diploid cells. But meiosis is a daughter cells or haploid cells or gametic cells. It is not only two sets of the chromosomes, only one set of the chromosomes which occurs in the meiosis. The mitosis daughter cell two identical parent cells, but the daughter cells four in not identical cells in the parents. Variations or mutations are occurs in meiosis. So somatic cells always takes place in the metasis always takes place in the somatic cells. The meiosis are which occurs in the reproductive cells. So this is also comparison of mitosis and meiosis. So the mitosis which can 2n is equal to 2n same number chromosomes. The meiosis is also diploid number of chromosomes. The two sets of the chromosomes, the reproductive cells 2n is equal to undergoes 2n 2n means meiosis 1. Second one nn 4, then meiosis 2. After meiosis 2, which can having a 4 sets of the 4 cells are the formation. These are 4 cells are chromosomes are only one set, not only male or not only, or it may be male or female, not both. That is also clear. So what is your parent cells and sex cells? What is the main important of the chromatids and also then the chromatids size which is also differentiations. So this is also parental cells. But here chromatids, these two chromatids. These chromatids are which undergoes reduction division to form a four cells. Four cells. So this is also comparison of mitosis. The mitosis division, which is a prophase. Here is also called a prophase. But here metaphase. Anaphase, telophase. But here is anaphase. But the prophase is which divides into the subdivisions. Meiosis 1, meiosis 2. The meiosis 1 prophase, leptotene, zygote, pachytene, diploide, dichys, also called 5 sub stages occurs. The metaphase only one, the anaphase also one, then meiosis 2, which is also the same to the mitosis. So this is a important of the spermatogenesis. The spermatogenesis means which that is also XX or XY. The XY chromosomes which belongs to the it is also called a male. Then XX chromosomes which belongs to the female. Then the spermatogenesis are autosomes. The 6 chromosomes XY also called meiosis 1, then meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is also 1 cell, 2 cells, 3 cells, 4 cells. And only one cell divides into the 4 cells formation. That is called a meiosis 1 or meiosis 2 divisions. So the meiosis father and Father of both are 2n. How do they make gametes of n? So process of meiosis cell division that halves the chromosomes number creates a gametes for sexual reproductions. To create the gametes are formation. So these gametes are which is also sexual reproduction. If you 2n mom, it is also female, but here is a male. The male is in just XY chromosomes here, but here XX chromosomes, but XY X is also child formation. That is the total. The generation formation depends on the meiosis. It does not takes a meiosis. Do not formation of the new animals or new organs. New organs. The mitosis and meiosis. What is the differentiations? The differentiation is also the mitosis and meiosis, which is also a biology. And then the mitosis and meiosis, which is a crossing takes place. Also synapses. Synapses means six chromosomes. Mother Y chromosome, father sir take a bond takes place and also close to attach to each other and transfer of the one part of the male to female one part. The female part is transferred to the male. Male part is transferred to the female. Except structure formation that is called a chiasma formation. This chiasma is which is responsible to the genetical recombination process. Genetical recombinations. So here is the starting of the meiosis. The term meiosis was coined by J.B. Farmer in 1905. This type of division is found in organisms in which there is a sexual reproduction. The term has been the sexual reproduction is which can be takes place in a male and female gametes. The male and female gametes fusion before reduction division takes place. The reduction division word was reported by Farmer 1905, derived from Greek word so moionium, also called a diminish or reduces. The cells that undergo meiosis are called a meiocytes. Three important processes that occurs during the meiosis are pairing of homologous chromosomes. Pairing means attachment of a homologous chromosomes. Homologous means the same generation of the chromosomes or different generation of the chromosomes is also homologous. Means one organism's chromosomes are which can be attached to each other. So the derived from a Greek word, the important of the formation of a chiasma and crossing over takes place. Between these two chromosomes are X-shaped part formation. The X-shaped part is called a chiasma, also called a crossing over takes place. So segregation of homologous chromosomes. Segregation means which is the transferring of part from male to female or female to male. That is called a segregation. So this is also meiosis process. The క్షేకరణ విజన్ అనేది జేబి ఫార్మర్ అనే పదాన్ని మియాసిస్ అనే పదం ఉపయోగించాడు. లైంగిక పునరుత్పత్తి ఉన్న జీవులలో ఈ రకమైన విభజన కనిపిస్తుంది. గ్రీకు పదం నుండి తీసుకుపడింది. సో మియోనిమ్ అని తగ్గించడం, మియోసిస్ రెడ్యూసెస్. సో మయోసిస్ ప్రో మీన్స్ కణాలు మయోసైట్స్ అని పిలువబడతాయి. ఈ క్షీణ దశలో సంబంధించిన మూడు ముఖ్యమైన ప్రక్రియలు క్రోమోజోము జత చేయడం, కయాస్మా నిర్మాణం మరియు హోమోలాస్ క్రోమోజోమ్ విభజన. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో 3 types. The meiosis cells are involved in the following stages. First you take that is the interface. The interface means that between the two meiotic divisions stages is called a interface. The meiosis starts after an interface which is not very different from that of an intermitotic interface. During the pre-meiotic interface, DNA duplication. Mitotic also called meiotic. First you take that meiosis means reduction. Second one is the same mitotic divisions. The meiosis 1, meiosis 2 responsible to the only 4 gametic cells or 4 haploid cells. So the prophase it occurs during the S phase and meiosis 1. First is that the meiotic is phase or synthetic phase, and meiosis 1, meiosis 2. Then, so the occurs in S phase. What is S synthetic phase? So this prophase, it is a very long duration. It is also very complete, complex. It has been divided into the following substages: the leptotin, zygotin, phagotin, diplotin, diakins. 5 substages are there. The prophase is a very long duration. It is also very complex. So first you go to the leptotin. What is the means of lepto? Leptotin or leptomer. The chromosomes at this stage appears a long thread-like structures, elongated thread-like structures, and that are loosely interwoven. So the same species on these chromosomes bead-like structures. Beads means that is also round-shaped structure beaded. So it is called a chromomers are found all along the length of the chromosomes. So all the chromosomes are so round shape or a tubular shapes are round formation. So that is called a leptotin. The leptotin are chromosomes at this stage appears a long thread-like, also bead-like structures, which are two different genetical characters of X6 or XY combined chromosomes. That is also, then it is also prophase. The prophase you have the it is also leptotin, zygotin, phagotin, diplotin, diaconsis. So many, what are the structure of the chromosomes? We take that. So this is also called leptotin. The chromosomes are different, X or XY, and here is a red color is a Y. So that one a blue color is also X. And the gametic cells are a gametangia, also anther or ovary, which having both characters of the male and female. The male and female characteristics of the chromosomes are different color. So this different color, red color, also called a blue color. So red color, blue color is attachment takes place, also zygotin. The attachment of the chromosomes is a transfer to the, that is phagotin. The transfer of the chromosomes are it can join to the each other. So this is also diplotin. The diplotin diaconsis are separated. That is also the total. So leptotin, zygotin, phagotin, diplotin, diaconsis. After 5 stages, the one chromosome, a set of the chromosomes are genetic recombination takes place. Means the X chromosome or Y chromosome or XS chromosome, anyone which come close and synapsis takes place to transmission of each other. మియాసిస్ సెల్ కణం కేంద్ర దశలో ఉంటుంది. సో ఇది అంటే సో దట్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మియాసిస్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ తర్వాత మొదలవుతుంది. అది ఆ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ నుండి ఒక ఇంటర్ఫేస్ 1 ఇంటర్ఫేస్ టు అదర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మీన్స్ ఒక అంతర్దశ నుండి ఒక శాఖ నడిచినప్పుడు ఇంకొక శాఖ నడిచిన మధ్యలో ఉండే స్టేజ్ని అంతర్దశ అని ఇంటర్ఫేస్ అంటాం. సో దీని లోపల ఏం చేస్తే ఎస్ దశ మియాసిస్ ఉంటాయి. The S దశ లోపల ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇది ప్రోఫేస్ ఆర్ ప్రథమ దశలో ఉండే క్రోమోజోములు అన్నీ కూడా దీర్ఘకాల పొడవుగా ఉండి బీడియల్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ పూసల తన మాదిరిగా ఆకారం నిర్మాణం కలిగి ఉండి ఎలాంగేటెడ్ ట్యూబులర్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉండి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో 2 different colors ఉంటాయి. That is also meiotic. So this one is also leptotin, also this one easily seen this one clearly. That is also all type leptotin, zygotin, phagotin, diplotin, diaconsis. Then also the metaphase 1, anaphase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 2. That is also complete of the splitting of the chromosomes. So this is zygotin. The zygotin is characterized by pairing of homologous chromosomes, which forms a bivalent. Pairing means attachment. Also, 2 chromosomes are attached to each other. The paired homologous chromosomes are chained by a pudin and is a containing framework known as a synaptonemal complex. Synaptonemal complex formation. The bivalent have 4 strands. Synaptonemal complex are appears. It is the paired homologous chromosomes are joined by a pudin complexes framework, so known as a synaptonemal complex. Thus, the synaptomimal complex is which is important for the formation of the zygote. సో ఈ జైగోటిన్ దశ అనేది సో జతలు చేయబడిన క్రోమోజోమ్స్లో సినాప్టోమినల్ కాంప్లెక్స్ అని పిలువబడతాయి. అంటే ఇక్కడ అటాచ్మెంట్ అయితే వాటికి లిప్టోటీన్ లోపల సో లిప్టోటీన్ జైగోటిన్లో క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఆర్ కమ్ క్లోజ్ అండ్ అటాచ్మెంట్. ద లిప్టోటీన్స్ ఆర్ డు నాట్ అటాచ్మెంట్. That is also, so this one is a bivalent. The zygote has a bivalent chromosomes are formed. That is also, and so pregnant. So also leptotin this one. That this is also leptotin here. So here is zygote. This one pegytin, but it diplotin, not a diaconsis. The leptotin is a different in class. So zygote is just one conclusion. Closing it. The pegytin, the chromosomes appears as a thickened thread-like structures. Thickened means mandam. Thickened thread-like structures in come closes. So near to each other. XRI, XS, XR, XY, or XY, or XX. Anyone that is near to each other. That is a thickened thread-like structures. At this stage, exchanges of segments between non-sister chromatids. The chromosomes, the sister chromatids are exchanges to each other. At this stage, exchanges of segments between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes known as a crossing over occurs. The homologous chromosomes is called crossing over takes place. So this stage, exchange of segments between the non-sister chromatids. Exchanges means one part of the chromosomes are exchanged to other part of the chromosomes are exchanged to the first part. That is also X-shape formation. During crossing over, only one chromatid from each of the two homologous chromosomes are taken apart. The nucleus is still persistent. So this one chromosome part is also still it can both or each of two chromatids are transmission to each other. సో ఇది ఏం చేసే ఈ దశలో క్రోమోసోమ్స్ యొక్క సందర్భ క్రోమాటిడ్స్ మధ్య విభజన మార్పు ఏర్పడతాయి. ఈ రెండు క్రోమోసోమ్స్ ఒకదాని క్రోమాటిడ్ మాత్రమే వన్ క్రోమోసోమ్లో ఉండే క్రోమాటిడ్ రెండో క్రోమోసోమ్లో ఉన్న క్రోమాటిడ్ మొదటి క్రోమోసోమ్లో అతుకోవడానికి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డ్యూరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ క్రాసింగ్ ఓవర్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో టేక్ ద pegytin. So this pegytin is also which is a easy process. But this homologous chromosomes are there. Here centromere, but here kind of core. But here is synaptomial complex are there. Synaptomial. So upside is reticular. So lower side is also blue color formation. The blue color reticular is jointed synaptomial complex. So sister chromatids are there. Reticular one pair and so blue color one pair of chromosomes are attached to each other. That is where synaptomial complex are there. Synaptomial complex are then the synaptomial complex which is important for the transmission of a this one is a parity pegytin. This one is synaptomial. This is also synaptomial. This one is synaptomial. The synaptomial complex synapsis means homologous chromosomes are pairing. The parental chromosomes are maternal chromosomes. Crossing over it can occurs. The crossing over which are takes place. So the diplotin, the pegytin also called diplotin. The diplotin or diplonema at stage further the thickened and adhering of a chromosomes are takes place. The homologous chromosomes are start separating from one another. Then after attachment, it can be starting to the separation of a pair of chromosomes. That is also diplotin. The diplotin, the separation starts at the centromeres and travel towards the ends. Central part to the separation starting from end of the chromosomes or chromatids. It can be called a terminalization. So homologous chromosomes are held together only at a certain point along the length. So sometimes our homologous chromosomes are a certain point to chromosomes are held together by a only certain point to each other. So such a points of the contact are known as so chiasmata and represent the place of a crossing over. So the process of the terminalization so completed at this stage. the termination is also completed. The stages what happens, the two separation of the pair of chromosomes are formed. The diplotin అనేది దశలో మరింత గట్టిపడటం మరియు క్రోమోజోమ్ తగ్గుతుంది. ద హోమోలాజికల్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ అంటే సమయుగ్మ జగల క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఒకదాన్నొకటి వేరు చేసి విడిపోవడం, సెంట్రోమియర్ స్థానం నుండి క్రోమోజోమ్ టెర్మినల్ పార్ట్ నుంచి విడిపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. దాన్ని టెర్మినలైజేషన్ అంటారు. సో ఈ టెర్మినలైజేషన్ వల్ల డిప్లోటిన్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఆర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో అసెంబ్లేడ్ అండ్ సినాప్టిమల్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఆర్ అపర్స్. Then the total, so also diakinesis takes place. So this is also called the two daughter. So last one is the diakinesis. Chromosomes are continue to undergo further contractions. Further contraction takes place means the chromosomes are continue to undergo inside of the contractions. The bivalent appears as a round darkly stained bodies and they are evenly distributed through the cell. So the bivalent chromosomes appears as a round, also called a darkly stained bodies, and they are evenly distributed throughout the cells. They are distributed through the cell are bivalent. The nucleus membrane and nucleus disappears. Nucleus membrane and nucleus is also disappears. సో దిస్ వన్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ మరియు సంకోచంలోని రావడం కొనసాగుతుంది. సో రౌండ్ చీకటి తడిసిన క్రోమోజోమ్స్ ఏర్పడతాయి. సో దిస్ is also total leptotin, zygotin, pakitin, diplotin, diakinesis. After diakinesis are separation of the chiasma formation. Chiasma means X-shaped structure as a chiasma appears. This X-shaped chiasma is during the pakitin stages. Also diplotin stages are it can be just one transmission continuous. Then the diakinesis are separated the two crossing over particles of the chromosomes. So this is also genetic recombination is a proofing. The proof is that leptotin, zygotin, pakitin, also called diplotin, diakinesis. It is a 4 types are there. So these 4 types of the chromosomes are which structurally the metaphase 1. So outer prophase, the prophase is which is a 5 substages. Diplotin, zygotin, pakitin, diplotin, diakinesis. After complete the metaphase 1 or so this is also reduction division of 1, also meiosis 1. So the chromosomes are most condensed and have smooth outlines. So after recombination, after chiasma formation, the chromosomes are entering in the metaphase stage. So this metaphase stage is also smooth outlines. The centromeres of a bivalent are connected to the poles through the spindle fibers. Poles form the centromere. So the bivalent will migrate to the equator before they disappears. The dispersed poles. The centromeres of a bivalent are arranged in either side of the equatorial type and also orientation is called co-orientations. The centromeres are bivalent. Bivalent means the terminal sites and layer sites are which are separated to two bivalent chromosomes are formation. The centromere of the bivalent are arranged on either side of the equatorial zones. Either side of the equatorial. This type of a orientation is called co-orientation types. Co-orientations and orientation. Co-orientation is only half chromosome parts are separating to each other. సో ద క్రోమోజోమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మృదువైన సరిహద్దులు కలిగి ఉండి ద్వినీకరణ యొక్క సెంట్రోమియర్స్ కుదరబెట్టి ఫైబర్స్ ద్వారా స్తంభాలు ఆనందించబడతాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద prophase 1, meiosis 1. That is also here is a leptotin, zygotin, pakitin, diakinesis also that is also interphase. But here it is also leptotin, zygotin, pakitin. Also pakitin is also 2 stages are there. Also diplotin, diakinesis are there. That is a total of 5 stages. But here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5. That is interphase means between two reduction division stages. That is also. So anaphase 1. The chromosomes in a bivalent move opposite poles. The center part of the pair of chromosomes are passes into the polar regions. upper pole and lower poles are there. The upper pole is also called a bivalent. Upper and lower pole both is called disjunctions. The each chromosomes are passes two chromatids. The centromere is the first to move to the pole. First, the chromosomes are there first to move to the poles are there. So these chromosomes are it can be centromeres, and each pole has a applied number of the chromosomes are anaphase. A applied number of chromosomes are formation that is called a the anaphase. It is also chelnadasha anaphase, but telophase antimadasha. The nuclear membrane are formed around the groups of chromosomes at the two poles. The nucleus and nucleolus are reorganized. The nucleus and nucleolus is also reorganized in the groups of the chromosomes. So this is also called telophase. The telophase is the opposite of the prophase. రెండు స్తంభాల వద్ద క్రోమోజోమ్స్ సమూహాలు చుట్టూ అణువుల పొరలు ఏర్పడతాయి. న్యూక్లియస్ మరియు న్యూక్లియోలస్ పునర్వ్యవస్థీకరణకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. సో దిస్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ మియోసిస్ 2. The meiosis 2, the second meiotic division is similar to the mitosis. Similar characters of the mitosis. The mitosis quality similar to the mitosis to the mitotic divisions and is include the following four stages, means prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. Then four stages are there in meiosis 2. The chromosome, the prophase. In the prophase, the chromosomes are condensed again. The nucleus and nuclear membranes are disappears. In the same way, the prophase 1 also the chromosomes are condensed, means it can come close and shortening form, and the nucleolus is also in membranes and disappears. The nucleolus is also disappears. The chromosomes are with two chromatids, each become a shortened and thick. Each chromosomes are shortening and thick. Second one is a metaphase 2. Then the spindle fibers are appears and the chromosomes are get arranged on the equatorial plane. Arranged in equatorial plane auto orientation. This plane is at right angle to the equatorial plane of the first meiotic divisions. First meiotic division. So this is also one important. So this is a metaphase and also anaphase. Also got a metaphase and metaphase. So this is a meiotic 2. The metaphase 1. That is also anaphase 1. But here is a 2 one. Metaphase 2 and anaphase 2. This is also differentiations are there. Meiosis 2 అనేది మియాసిస్ డివిజన్ యొక్క డివిజన్ మాదిరిగానే ఉంటుంది. ఇది కిందలో ప్రోఫేస్ అంటే ప్రథమ దశ, మధ్య దశ, చలన దశ, అంతిమ దశ. ప్రథమ దశ అనేది క్రోమోజోమ్ మళ్ళీ సంభవిస్తాయి. న్యూక్లియోలస్ లోపల మరియు అణువు పొర అదృశ్యమవుతాయి. న్యూక్లియోలస్ and also nuclear membrane is disappears. Two chromatids are chromosomes కూడా ఉంటాయి. The metaphase. So this one spindle fibers are కనిపిస్తాయి మరియు క్రోమోజోమ్స్ భూమధ్య రేఖ ఆర్ ఆటో ఓరియంటేషన్లో మధ్యలో అమలు ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో metaphase 1. Also so this one anaphase 2 and anaphase 2. So that is also the anaphase 2. Each centromere divides and separates the two chromatids. So in anaphase, in metaphase, the anaphase, two chromatids are it can be equally divided into the two one with move towards the opposite poles. So then the fourth stage is also telophase 2. The chromatids moves toward the opposite poles. So after division of the metaphase, during the metaphase, the chromosomes are it can passes into the telophase, upper and lower poles. So the nuclear envelopes and the nucleolus reappears. Thus, at each pole, so there is a reorganization of nucleus. Reorganization means also reappeared in the chromosomes or particles. Each organisms are applied nucleus. So that is also then the chromosomes are move opposite poles to nuclear envelope and nucleus are reappears. So in the telophase loop the nucleus and nuclear membrane and nucleus is reappeared, means 3 years per. So that's it. Each pole there is a reorganized in applied nucleus. So 3 applied nucleus ఏర్పడడానికి telophase is also important. Then also got a cytokinesis. The cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm takes place by a cell plate. During the anaphase or telophase, the cytoplasmic plate either side of the cytoplasm divides equally to separation of the two cells. The, the plants and pharaohs are methods. In animals, that cytokinesis may take place after meiosis meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 separately, or sometimes may take place at the end of the meiosis 1 2 only, the end of the meiosis 2 only. So this is also cytokinesis. So the cytokinesis is also telophase. 2. The chromatids are moved to the opposite poles, the nuclear envelope and the nucleus also reappears. So thus at each pole there is a reorganization of the applied nucleus formation. సో ఇక్కడ అనాప్సిస్ టీలోఫేస్ ఆర్ క్రోమాటిడ్లు వ్యతిరేక ఏర్పడి అవి ఏం చేసాయి, సో అవి న్యూక్లియోలస్ మళ్ళీ కనిపిస్తాయి. సో అందుచేత ప్రతి పోల్ వద్ద సో అప్లైడ్ న్యూక్లియస్ యొక్క పునర్నిర్మాణం ఏర్పడుతుంది అనేది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో లెప్టిడిన్, జైగోటిన్, ప్యాగిటిన్, డిప్లోటిన్, డయాకిన్సిస్ అండ్ మెటాఫేస్ 1, అనాఫేస్ 1, మెటాఫేస్ 2, అనాఫేస్ 2, అనాఫేస్ 2. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద total difference of the significance of meiosis. So what is the importance of the significance? The meiosis is a very important role in the biological population in various ways as a given below. So it helps us maintaining the definite and a constructive number of chromosomes in a species. The number of the chromosomes are constant daughter to so parent to daughter means the meiosis takes place. Does not meiosis takes place, the chromosome number is rises up to parent to daughter generation. So it helps in maintaining the definitive number of chromosomes or constant chromosomes. First point. The second one is the meiosis result of the production of the gametes with aploids. Aploid means half number of chromosomes are formation. Means the half number of chromosomes are doubled, which is also 2 sets of the chromosomes are appears in zygote. The 2 applied chromosomes are come close to fusion. The chromosome number union of the male and female gametes leads to formation of the zygote. The formation of the zygote is the chromosome number, the male and female, also the zygote are doubled. The chromosomes are doubled, which responds to the gametic leads to the formation of zygote, which receive half chromosome number from male gamete and half from the female gamete, and thus the original somatic chromosomes number is restored. The meiosis facilitates so segregation and independent assortment of chromosomes and genes are there. The meiosis has independent assortment. Independent means one generation of character is only transmitted, not other. Means one generation, other generation, both are it can combine to form a transmission is also independent of this. So ఈ meiosis అనేది క్రోమోసోముల సంఖ్య గ్యామెట్స్ ఆర్ సంయోగ బీజాన్ని ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తుంది, మరి మగ ఆడ ఆర్ గ్యామెట్స్ ఆర్ సంయోగ బీజాలను ఏర్పరచడానికి దారితీస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్. ద మియాసిస్ క్రోమోజోమ్స్ మరి జన్యువుల విభజన మరి స్వతంత్ర సులభతర చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో. సో ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ ప్రొవైడ్స్ అండ్ అప్రోచిటీ ఫర్ ఎక్స్చేంజెస్ ఆఫ్ జీన్స్ టు ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ క్రాసింగ్ ఓవర్. సో ఈ మియాసిస్ జరగడం వల్ల ఎక్స్చేంజెస్ means the genetic characters are exchanges from generation to the generation. It is a recombination of genes result in generation of variability in a biological population. So variability takes place, which is important from the evolution point of the view. So then the reduction division is important of the evolution process. Means the chromosome number is also same, but genetic characters are it can be changes to the parent to daughter generation. That is called a meiosis. It is a sexually reproducing species. Meiosis is essential for the containing of a generation. because meiosis result in the formation of the male and female. Meiosis is the formation of the male and female gametes. So an union of such gametes leads to the development of zygote, and also therefore there will be the new individuals. The zygote is the formation. That is also the fusion of the male and female gamete to form a zygote formation. So this is also applied gamete and nucleate. సో ఇది ప్రక్రియ మార్పిడి కోసం ఒక అవకాశం వస్తుంది. జన్యువు పునఃసంయోజన చెందిస్తుంది. జన్యువు లోపల ఉండే పరిణామం మీన్స్ ఎవల్యూషన్ దారితీస్తుంది. ఇది సెక్షువల్ రిప్రొడక్షన్ కొనసాగించబడుతుంది. So this is also differentiation of the meiosis and metasis. The meiosis consists of a one nucleus division. That the mitotic one nucleus division is a two nucleus division. But here one cell cycle results to the production of the two daughter cells. Only one cell cycle results in the production of the four daughter cells. The four daughter cells in meiosis. But here the chromosomes are number in daughter cells is the same half of the mother cell. The chromosome number is the same in half of the daughter cells. Means the two daughter cells chromosomes number is equal. Also 2. But here is the meiosis 2. Meiosis, the one cell cycle results in the production of the four daughter cells. Each daughter cells having the same number of the chromosomes. So the third one, the chromosome number of daughter cells is the same. But here third daughter cells are contain half the chromosome number. Daughter chromosomes are half the number of the chromosomes in daughter cells. This is also meiosis. So then mitosis of daughter cells, the identical the mother cell in a structural and also chromosome composition. So the meiosis, the daughter cells are different from mother cell is a chromosomes are number and also compositions. It occurs in a somatic cells and it is also occurs in a reproductive cells. So then the mitotic law, the DNA of the reduced replication during a speech developed during the replication in the mitosis, but meiosis 0.3% is the DNA is not replication during a speech. Speech developed during chromosomes in a replication zarukunda. So then a speech it occurs in a during the zygoting phase. The zygoting phase మాత్రమే the chromosome number is also reduced. So then the mitosis of 7th, the prophasis not divides into the substages. Then the prophasis divides into the 5 substages. So 8th one, there is no pairing up between the homologous chromosomes. There is a homologous chromosomes are pairing during the pairing. So then the segregations and recombination do not occur. The segregation and the chromosome, the crossing over and the place during the pairing stages. The chromosomes are in the form of a diade alternations. The chromosomes are not formed in the lead to the daids, also called a metaphase. So this is a important of the mitotic or 10 differentiations are there. So these 10 differentiations. Also 11th one, the centromeres of the all the chromosomes is in the equatorial plate, but the centromeres of all the chromosomes are on either side of the equator, either sides, not center. But here 12th one, the metaphase also centromere of each bivalent divides a longitudinal. But here the chromosomes are does not divide to each metaphase. So the 13th, so the one member of sister chromatids are moves to opposite poles and during the anaphase. So the one number of the chromosomes are sister chromatids are which can move from the groups to the anaphase. So maintains only due to the last of a segregancy of a mathematics, last of a so generation of availability to and due to the segregation and recombination in the plant or generation availability due to the segregation and recombination in meiosis. But here maintains the purely lack of a segregation and recombination in the meiosis. The mitosis and meiosis both are it can be differentiations are each other. So this is also figures. So first we take the interface, so metaphase, anaphase, telophase, that is also centromere, out formation. What are the important of these character features? But here is also normal meiosis occurs. But here normal meiosis does not express meiosis. So here meiosis only meiotic division occurs. Meiotic division is occurs, which is also meiosis. So this is a meiosis 1, also meiosis 2, but the total cells are 4 formation, the total cells meiosis 2. So this is also end of the topic which important of the